Hello, everyone. How are you all doing today? So great to have you here. Thank you all so much for pressing the play button. I am Johnny, your host with Home Country Mathematics. Now, let's do this, shall we? All right, guys and gals, I appreciate you. Thank you all so much, so much for stopping by and learning along with the channel. This is so great. You know I love it. We're on Chapter 1, the Language and Tools of Algebra, Unit 1-7. The topic is logical reasoning and counter examples. All right, it's great to have you. Let's get right into this. Guys and gals, this is a lecture. For the most part, I think I'm going to be sharing snipping tools snippets as part of this lecture. Okay, let's get into this. Remember, guys and gals, sharing is also caring. Okay. Here's kind of an example just to give you an idea of what we're leading into. All right, popcorn. I love it. Hit the like button if you love theater popcorn. Okay, let's talk about conditional statements a little bit. All right, and then we'll lead into more. Here we go. The statement, if the popcorn burns, then the heat was too high or the kernels heated unevenly, is called a conditional statement. Again, that was just an example, right? Conditional statements can be written in the form if A, then B sort of thing. Statements in this form are called if-then statements. Oh, yeah, reminds me of coding. Okay, if A, the part of the statement immediately following is called the hypothesis, then the part of the statement immediately following then is called the conclusion. Okay. All right, here is another example. I think this is just to kind of get you to think, a little bit. That's okay. It's good for the brain, right? Identify hypothesis or hypotheses and conclusion. If the hypotheses and conclusion of identify the hypothesis. Okay, I'm just going to let you read. It's a good thing I'm better at mathematics. All right. There you go. Let's see, what else can we get into? I'm just kind of reading here. All right, we'll share this. Real world thinking. Is that going to help? Maybe. Okay. Let's do this. And I'm just going to kind of share it all and the source as well. I must share the source. Write a conditional in if-then form. My brain wants to say if-else statement. It's just part of my coding brain. All right. Just some information there for you. Study, read, learn, understand. Let's continue. Like I said, this is just going to be a sharing lecture. I am not too certain if I'm going to be doing any examples, all right? Deductive reasoning and counter examples. All right, so I'll let you pause and read that. Let us continue. What else do we have here? We'll share all this. Again, this is part of the textbook. Again, you can pause and read. Just theory mostly, reasoning, understanding, logic. All right. Let us continue. What else do we have? Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. Some more further examples and instruction. Instruction. All right, and then we'll solve the test item, okay? Share the logic. Hopefully it's correct. And here we go. Okay, let us continue. Again, this is just a quick lecture. Do I share examples? If you would like, here is some examples. Or check your understanding. Okay. I'm going to leave it at that. Just getting into theory a little bit. I'm not seeing too many answers here, so I want to get on to a new section or topic. So I'm going to finish this off quickly here. Because I love just grinding math and variables and doing all that. More so. Okay, let's see. All right, logic and properties of numbers. Extended 1-7. How are we doing for time? Oh, really good, actually. All right, so I will share some more. Bear with me, guys and gals. Okay, we'll do this as well. Okay, logic and properties of numbers. Okay. And some exercises. Okay. that's an overview, I guess. And then here, let's see, I'll give you something to kind of practice with as well. And good luck on your answers. Some of it is also for the next, so yeah. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I believe you can get through this. Again, I do apologize. This was a short, quick topic. Good information there for you. And also, yeah, you can, use some theory and logic and reasoning. Okay? It's a good thing to have. I want to get into the next unit. Unit 1-8, the numbers system. I've been working with this already a little bit with you guys and gals, but let's go into it a little bit further. All right, I'm Johnny. It's great to have you. Thank you all for watching and learning along. I so appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video or playlist. Take care for now.